Start with 4 cloves of garlic, 20 grams of ginger, half of medium Spanish onion, 4 spring onion, half a green bell pepper, 1 medium red chili, 250 grams of silver side beef, to marinate the beef, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of cornstarch, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of Shaoxing wine, 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of sesame oil, splash of water, and 2 teaspoons of regular oil. Mix well. Marinate for 15 minutes. For the stir fry sauce, 1 teaspoon of red wine vinegar, 1 teaspoon of Shaoxing wine, 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of cornstarch, 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of sesame oil, and 30 ml of water. Stir well and set it aside. 3 tablespoons of regular cooking oil into a medium heat pan. Brown off the ginger. Once the ginger is slightly brown like so, discard the ginger. In with our marinated beef. Keep turning until the beef is around 80% cooked and set it aside. Add 2 tablespoons of regular oil into a medium heat pan. In with our onions and the rest of our garlic. Give that a quick stir to release the aroma. In with our beef. And in with our green peppers. And a splash of Shaoxing wine. 1 teaspoon of sugar. Half a teaspoon of chili flakes. In with a red chili. Re-stir our sauce and in with the sauce that we made earlier. Then in with our spring onion. At this point, add a touch of black pepper. And once that sauce is thickened, we are done.